Hello, my beautiful people in the house, my lovely people, my gorgeous people. Now me again, Lady J. If you know you have not subscribed for my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and like our video. I want to talk about this our beautiful lady with the just engage of recent. I want to talk about her because that engagement, hey, the thing, it too funny. Hey. You expose me? Why? You expose me? Why? You know I born before? Yes. My case, your case? Yes. My sister, you too do. You too do. A married woman for that matter. Married woman with 6 kids. Wetin you dey look for? Wetin this guy put for mouth? They toast you, my sister. You too do. You too do, really. How you can a married now your husband even bring you? This ain't easy. Your husband I even bring you come. Wetin you come dey look for? Where you come be say now small boy and I can carry you go dey toast you go dey come dey engage you for public. See the big ring when you even take engage, you never know say na fake. Who they use that kind of ring take the engage woman? My dear, go back to your husband, go beg him. I believe say the way that man be, it will take you back, really. The family, all of the just the responsible. They told them they even the surprise. Say, what it really come over you? You know? You just really you bring yourself down because you see all those that camp boys they toast you, that they toast you, they because they see say you they camp there, they look for what they go conji one finish, they look for where they want to put them. Then they come they talk to you, they happy now say as you old rich guy they toast me. I'm not saying that what they worry you be that one so. My dear, go back to your husband, go beg him, 6 children. You know, let me say you don't love them. You one, you not come out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My dear, go back to your husband. You hear? I beg will they beg you. Go back. Your husband will still take you back. The way that man they quiet. The way they talk that day. It did nice. Go back to him. I beg. Now in love you, not with this boy. This boy want you to play. No believe that engagement when he engage you. I beg. You hear? Go back to your husband. Make shame the deal na high sometimes. A married woman. Don't be say supposing you with the man separate now is a different thing. Una not separate, nothing like that. I beg. Go back. You hear? Please. Now beg will they beg you. May you go back. Because that engagement, just they found out they want to remove that thing for Facebook. And so later now saying they don't respect you now. Una never respect you self. A married woman with 6 children, not be even one. Madonna, please go back to your husband. Yeah, no problem. I pray may you see this video. May you go back to your husband, please. I beg they beg you. Your husband will still want you back. Thank you, everybody. Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Bye, everybody. Take care, my lovely people, my beautiful people. Try and watch our video. Okay, bye.
Why? Can you call my children your children?
Of course, call them your kids are my kids.
Why?
Because I love you.
You love me?
No.
You already know that I already born before.
I'm
already born.
Hello.
Oh, you know.
Because hey,
Why you do this?
because today is the topic day.
Already born already.
I still love you. Your kids are my kids.
What's that mean? Why?
Hey.
Can you call my children your big children?
Of course, call them my kids. Your kids are my kids.
Already born.
Hello.
Oh, you know. Why?
Because I love you.
You already know that I already born before.
Your kids are my kids.
Why?
Because I love you.
You love me? I said I don't born. Already born already.
But I still love you. Your kids are my kids. Hey, boy! Avec, comprends, avec, mais je t'ai dit avec. Avec, ils sont il plaise avec, happiness avec. Il plaise avec. Achei, I'm a bastard. There.
What's on the bus today? Why you do this?
Because today is the perfect day.
Why you do this?
Because today is the perfect day. Hey.
What's on the bus today? Why you do this? Why?
Because I love you.